After you edit your image and, for example, deleting some parts, changing the sky, anything that you want, or crop or anything. For example, erase this person again, then erase it. And then if you want to save your change, you can right click and then export. And as you can see, it's turned off because we are in edit tool. You have to close it and then export will be turned on. If you are in edit of any of these tools, it's not working. Then you can hit export and you can export it, or to close the export and click on this icon, going to the file, and from here you can export it. Then in export you can change the location, then you can change the file name. If you want, you can change any format of image, for example PNG. You can do the sharpen again here to more quality. Yeah, it's the actual size. You can change the size here. You can change the color profile or space here, and of course you can change quality. If you go into the PNG here, you can change your quality. If you want high quality or lower quality, you can change it, and then hit export and exporting this image in your desktop. And that's it, and enjoy it. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.